Hello everyone and welcome to Google Search Ad series. My name is Akhil Pillai and I'll be teaching you how to get started with your Google Search Ad. In this video we'll be learning about Google Search Ad. After this video series you will be able to start with your first campaign. You'll be getting comfortable with Google Search Ads interface. You will be able to create your first advertisement. I'm gonna give you a brief example to make you better understand what we are dealing with. When you type in a particular keyword or a search query on Google search engine, before the organic result you will see these advertisements. These are known as Google search advertisement, right? And we'll be learning how to create them. We will be discussing about the course outline for Google search ad. In the first video we'll be discussing about the introduction of Google Ads. Okay, so we'll be learning about the overview of Google Ads, where do these ads appear, how do these ads appear, and the benefits of using Google Ads. And after that we'll be talking about the 4 important things that you need to define before you get started. The 4 important things are defining your business, defining your product, defining your customers, and defining your goals and expectations. So you need to make sure that you have written them down, you have a brief understanding of them before you move any further. There are tons of terms that you will be dealing with. Now it's not possible to cover each and every terminology, but we will be making sure to get these basic terminologies under our belt. After that we'll be discussing about quality score. For now just understand that Google ranks your website on a scale of 1 to 10, right? And this is known as quality score. We'll be learning what factor dictates our quality score and how we can improve our quality score. Okay, and then we'll be getting started with setting up our account, exploring the dashboard, right? After that we'll be talking about campaign, ad groups, and ads, and the difference between them. Then we will be talking about keywords, how to get started with keywords, the difference between keywords and search terms, how do keywords work, how to evaluate keyword and select the right keywords. We also telling you about the different tools that are really helpful in selecting the right keyword ideas. Okay, then we'll be learning how to target our campaigns geographically, according to language and according to technology. Okay, then we will be starting with creating our first campaign, right? We'll be selecting the correct type of campaign type, we'll be deciding on the bids, then we will be creating our own ad extension for the campaigns and we'll be finalizing it. Then we'll learn the important factors that we need to understand before creating a landing page for our advertisement, because a lot of advertisements I have seen, people don't create a particular landing page where it disrupts the customer cycle. So we'll be covering that also. So we'll be learning how to control our cost, we'll be defining our budget, and I'll be teaching you how to set your automatic budget or your manual budget. Then we'll be creating your first advertisement, right? And then we'll be checking the ad strength of that advertisement, and how we'll be learning how to check the visibility of those advertisements in a particular area or a specific location, right? So after you complete each and every section of this, please go through the dashboard, please go through the interface so as to get hands-on experience on Google search ad. Because in digital marketing it doesn't matter how many blogs you read, how many videos you watch, until and unless you have hands-on experience on the interface, on the tool, you won't be cutting it. So you have to make sure you have good hands-on experience. Okay, so after the end of each video make sure that you explore everything. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.